This capability showcase presents HM Cragg's RuggedRack, a fully integrated, ready-to-deploy backup power solution designed for industrial or outdoor installations. Built by HM Cragg and engineered to perform in both controlled and harsh environments, RuggedRacks support critical infrastructure where uptime matters most. Each complete, uninterruptible power solution is assembled, integrated, and tested before they reach your site. RuggedRack solutions integrate Eaton's single-phase UPS system, including 9SX, 9PX, and 9PXM models, into a single turnkey system. This RuggedRack build includes an Eaton 9PXM double conversion UPS, a maintenance bypass module, optional internal power distribution, and optional monitoring and system interface. Our RuggedRack assemblies are UL 508A listed systems that utilize enclosures featuring dual-rated NEMA 3R/4 outdoor rating, 19-inch racking for UPS equipment, all-in-one cooling and heating unit sized to perform in all North American environments, full internal insulation, conduit entry gland plates, lifting eyes, sunshield, and a plinth base with anchor points. We also offer a half-height RuggedRack enclosure, which features the same integrated design and protection in outdoor and industrial applications, all in a more compact footprint for smaller capacity UPS options. Prior to shipment, every RuggedRack system is fully assembled and tested, ensuring safety, reliability, and confidence during deployment. This is another example of how HM Cragg delivers timely, cost-effective, and application-specific power solutions built to perform where reliability matters most. If you're facing a backup power challenge that requires custom integration, enclosure expertise, or rapid deployment, HM Cragg is ready to help. Please contact us today for more information about how we can help you by creating a standard or fully customized solution for your application.